Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about group frequency which are using in IR spectroscopy. So first point, what is the characteristic group frequency? Why we need group frequency? What is meant by group frequency? These are the number of questions arises in front of our views. So the first point, why we need group frequency? What is meant by group frequency? What is the characteristic of group frequency? These three questions having same answer in the IR spectroscopy. The first thing is the identical or nearly identical vibrational frequencies. The identical or nearly identical vibrational frequencies of specific groups of atoms in various molecules, that correspond to specific chemical bonds. That corresponds to specific chemical bonds such as carbon single bond hydrogen, carbon single bond carbon, carbon double bond carbon, then carbon single bond chlorine. Then with certain functional groups or structural groups, it has been found that their vibrational frequencies are nearly independent of the rest of the molecule group frequency. For example, you have to take carbonyl group. Carbonyl group present in the aldehyde C double bond OH, but the same carbonyl group C double bond group were also presented in acid group also, acid function group also. See, wherever C double bond group present in aldehyde and the acid group also, the frequency range will be 1650 to 1740 centimeter minus 1. So thereby, here not mentioning group frequency, here not mentioning single frequency. Always we know that this carbonyl carbon having single characteristic frequency, that is around 1700 centimeter minus 1. Here not mentioning single frequency, here mentioning group frequency. Group frequency means what? Aldehyde functional group also having carbonyl group. Acid functional group also having carbonyl group. These carbonyl groups are presented in various situations, various chemical environments. So even various chemical environments, that particular group having certain range in the absorption frequency. The range will be 1650 to 1740 centimeter minus 1. This is said to be group frequencies. For many groups involving only two atoms, the approximate frequency of the fundamental vibration can be calculated from the simple harmonic oscillator model. Calculations show that most groups of interest characteristic frequency stretching vibration should be 4000 to 1000 centimeter minus 1. In practical cases, group frequency region will be 1300 to 4000 centimeter minus 1. This is said to be group frequency region. Here we are ready to discuss about some of the example for group frequency range. Okay. See here, SH thiols having the range 2550 to 2600 centimeter minus 1. Weakened sharply. Then SO or esters having group frequency 700 to 900 stretching frequency. Then SS disulfide, the group frequency range 500 to 540 weak band தான் கிடைக்கும். Thiocarbonyl C double bond S, thiocarbonyl, the range will be 1050 to 1200 stretching frequency. S double bond O, sulfur pi bond oxygen, S double bond O, this group may be sulfoxide, sulfonone, sulfonic acids, sulfonyl chloride, sulfate. In the எல்லா molecules பார்த்தீங்கன்னா in the S double bond O group will be present. For these examples, these are the group frequencies are listed in this table. Then phosphorus functional groups. phosphine pH group will be 2208 to 2440 centimeter minus 1. The group frequency range will be like this. Then phosphonic acid 2500 to 2700 centimeter minus 1. And the range then POR esters, phosphorus esters 900 to 1050 stretching frequency. Phosphonic oxide, phosphonate, phosphate, phosphomide, இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்ன காமனான ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா P double bond O. This P double bond O and the stretching frequency listed like this. Then silicon functions, selene group frequency range 2100 to 2360 centimeter minus 1. Okay. Then some of the functional groups are listed in this table. See, selene, silicon methyl group. Silicon methyl group stretching frequency will be like this. Then oxidized nitrogen functional group. Oxime OH and C double bond 1, C double bond N, then N single bond O. These are the main functional group in the oxime. So these are the functional group having like this group frequency which are listed in this table. Then NO amine oxide, aliphatic, aromatic. Amine oxide if it is maybe aliphatic compound or aromatic compound. Both of this compound, the group frequency will be like this: 960 plus or minus 20, then 1250 plus or minus 50. Then nitroso compound stretching frequency will be like this, in this range. So these frequencies are listed in this table. So generally higher frequency, it is especially group frequency is the most important to identify some of the functional group or some of the molecules. Molecular identification is the main important in the medicinal field or medicinal chemistry. Okay. So for that we have to identify the molecules, we have to identify the structure of the chemicals. IR spectroscopy is mainly useful in the IR spectroscopy. IR group frequency also very important participant to determine the molecular structure in the IR spectroscopy. Okay, I understand. If you understand means please share to others after end of the video. From beginning onwards, we are discussing the group frequency, how to determine the molecular structure in the chemical field, how the group frequency used to determine the structure of the molecule. So இதெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்த்துக்கிட்டே வந்துட்டுருக்கோம். ஸோ ஓகேங்களா, இப்போ இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா கட்டாயம் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.